Hello again and welcome to this week's Just the Tip. My name is Corey McDougald with Meat and Potatoes Organizing, and this week I'm going to talk about clear bins yet again. I know you've probably heard me say it time and time again, but I love clear bins, and I love clear bins because multiple people understand the use and function of the clear bin. I like it also because it's very versatile. It's not like it's a red and green Christmas bin that we can only use for Christmas things. Clear bins are great because you can see what's inside. You can also label on the outside what's in there. And lately, well, at least at the Container Store, they make these really great clear bins called the Everything Organizer line, and they actually have dividers in them. So not only could you see what's inside, but maybe you have a couple of categories that are living inside. It can just be so much easier to be able to find your things, to be able to put things away. Especially if we're working with ADHD, where if something, I cannot see it, it kind of also doesn't exist. We need these things to exist, but we also need order and we need them to be put away. So clear bins with labels can be just a phenomenal way to be able to do that, and then can optimize brain function. So your challenge this week, let's figure out where you spend the most time in your house. Is that in your bathroom? Is that in your office? Is that in your bedroom? Let's figure out where that place is. And then I want you to think about how you could implement some clear bins with labels in that space to really optimize it and give your brain a total refresh. So let me know which space you choose in the comments, and I can't wait to hear how it goes. And I will talk to you next week.